Yes, I'm legit in Portland. Today is Saturday, October the 2nd. Not lie, the experience here is pretty nice. So I'm at this Airbnb called, I don't remember the name. I gotta put on the name. Yeah, I gotta put on the name somewhere. But I'm at this Airbnb and it's pretty like a country lifestyle. They made the boardhouse structure and everything. It's nice. So, it's really nice. I just be a bush. Some point my day I say, oh John, suppose it start rain and the roof start leak, but yeah, it start rain and the roof start leak. And I say, oh, suppose to see all that snake all that crawl through or something of the sort, but it's good. Long time I sleep in one of them type of houses still, but it's a vibe. It's a vibe. No TV. I barely have any Wi-Fi. I have to pick up Wi-Fi from my house, so they're right over there. So, you see me? And yo, this is a vibe. I'm gonna do this again, but probably somewhere different. Cause I'm almost in the art Portland, like the town they're right down there. So, you see me? You have beaches all over the place. You have a beach where they right up the well, you have a good amount of beach man the stretch. Such as you have Sunshine, you have Blue Lagoon and the right over. So like everything that's nice, Frenchman cold. Yeah. So they are try tough it out. So have little stove and them thing there here still. So yeah. Oh, I think that's the name. See there? Almond Cottage. Why? So I'm legit all the way on top of Portland. Well, the square, because this Airbnb is way up close to the square. It's close to so much places. But this is a real country feeling, because if you check out the place, be like an uptown type of vibe. This is me an uptown type of vibe. So yeah, just there enjoy the little space. There's no Wi-Fi up here, so Wi-Fi they don't have the first one, but there's no Wi-Fi up here. No TV. Just natural environment, legit natural environment. I'm saying no TV, so you enter. This is the entrance. This is the way to the balcony. You get me? So this is the way to the balcony and kitchen. Yeah, right here. Fridge. Nothing is in the fridge. Cupboard, shelf, whatever you want to call it. Kitchen utensils up there. You have running water. Yeah. The bedroom in here, so yeah, you have bed. It's in here. This is it. Sheet. Outside if you want to look outside, you see me? And you use them something for cover from mosquitoes. The bathroom. Right there, so. This. Oh, not even notice this. You see me? Running water. Oops, almost dropped. Then you have the view. You have the view way out there, so you see in the whole of Portland down there, so you see me. And you have this little fan. We're supposed to cool down everything. You see in the middle of the balcony part. Oh. So this is the way to the balcony. So this is the way to the balcony. You have a hammock. Alright. You see me? And then you have Portland down there. So down there instead of would I almost call it the square if you just go around a little bit more. Oh well. So you can actually come here and just be away from civilization. And this is what I call the living room. Nice little living room, nice little space. When a piece of rain tear last night and it beat on the top of this, say, yo, so you think I'll be a gunshot? Yo, said lightning strike, yo, boom! Yeah, man. Bob. Look, a friend. Put my dude. Just act like a snail. Just there. Yeah, so the balcony from outside. It's a very nice balcony vibe, you see me? So you know when you look out, you get the whole of Portland. So this is the step for walk. It's like a good look. Well, even more look. It's a long walk. You see me? It's a long walk, and that's the neighbor. Well, not really neighbor. That's somebody else, another Airbnb. So you have different class. You see me? It's like when you look up, this is the best view. Well, the final one. This is the 6th location, 6th house, I should say.
You want to carry avocado with you?
Yeah, relax. Relax. Wait, the shit the chain just dropped down?
It's the plan, but sometimes they stubborn.
Nah, drop. It a behave stubborn. Oh well. You tried. You have a stick? Ah! This side say, yo, I'm not coming down. He's a good boy. Come here. You good? Good boy.
Too common.
Yeah, like everybody know about Rio Grande. That's the only river everybody mentioned. Yo, go Rio Grande.
No, but there's 2 falls. One at the top called Nanny Falls. You heard of that one?
Nanny Falls.
Yeah. It's up in Moortown. You go up over the hill. As you come down to the river, you turn left and follow the river up until you come to Moortown. That's where the Maroons live.
Oh.
And they got a falls there, Nanny Falls.
What? Can't be a good pool. Oh, yo, General. Walk. Go way up there, so and come back. It's a disastrous walk. It's like a very long walk. A very long walk. Go from where I walk from. This I can focus. Yeah, way up the same walk come from. But I'm back down here.